Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zul Idham bin Muhammad Nizam. My metric number is PC23145, and in this video I would like to present about introduction and conclusion. So for the introduction, in the modern era that is increasingly dependent on electrical and electronic appliances, the use of extension wire or electrical wire extension has become a basic necessity in daily life. Extension wire are widely used in homes, educational institutions, office, workshops and commercial areas to supply electrical power to various devices such as computers, mobile phones, kitchen appliances and other electronic machines. However, most extension wire used today still rely entirely on conventional wire systems that have several limitations in terms of safety, mobility and ease of use. In this regard, innovation in extension wire product is urgently needed to improve safety, efficiency and user convenience. This project aims to develop innovative extension wire that are portable or wireless, in line with current technological developments and the needs of modern users. This innovation is expected to reduce dependence on physical wires and increase the flexibility of electricity used in various situations. Problems such as tangled wires, risk of electric shock, difficulty carrying and limited range of use often occur, especially in confined space or environments that require high mobility. In addition, the use of wire extensions cords can also pose safety risks such as short circuits and equipment damage if not handled properly.
This is the challenge that we face with use everyday tools like the extension wire. Number one is a background. So the growing demand. Nowadays, we use more electric and electronic appliances in our daily life than ever before. Other than that, a daily necessity. Extension wires have become a basic necessity in our homes, schools and office. Number two is main problems. The main problem is the maze. This wire easily become tangled and create a messy environment. Other than that, limited mobility. They are difficult to carry around and offer a very restricted range. And it's also inconvenience. Conventional wires are simply not suitable for confined space and high mobility environments. Number three, safety issue. A physical risk. There is a constant risk of electric shocks and to the user. Technical hazards. These wires are prone to short circuits, overheating, and can cause fire hazards if not handled correctly. Device damage. Using a poor quality conventional wires can lead to potential damage to your expensive electronic device. And then last, our goals, the need for innovation, the gap. Conventional wire no longer meet the needs of the modern user. The solution, there is an urgent need for an innovative extension wire that is safer, portable and more flexibility. And the last one is future ready. Our goal is to align these essential tools with current technology advancement.
Alright, thank you for the explanation. So I will explain about component analysis. So this component analysis illustrates how a wireless extension board operates by breaking down its element into three interconnect levels, which is product, system and supersystem. At the product level, the user is the center figure interacting with the device and benefiting from its features. The system level includes the core functional components such as the rechargeable battery, on-off switch, plug point, light switch and magnetic charger. So all of these work together to deliver power and control wirelessly. These components enable flexibility, portability and multi-device support. At the supersystem level, the extension board interacts with external elements like air as a medium for wireless signal and electrical appliance, which is as the end user of the power supply. So this layer breakdown helps us understand how each part contributes to a seamless and efficient wireless power solution. It's also emphasizing user-centered design, smart functionality and integration with the surrounding environment.
Next, I will explain the interaction analysis of all wireless rechargeable extension device. This system works through the instruction interaction between the user, the control system, the power source and also the output components. First of all, the user activates and controls the device, which is walked through the flow simply. Then, the battery management system regulates, monitors and also protects the battery to ensure the safe operation. The battery supply power to the inverter where the power is processed and converted. Next, the DC to AC converter NAC USB, or less durable, usable electrical power to external devices such as laptops, fans, or chargers. The highlight benefits is this integration creates useful functions such as portable electricity, improved mobility, better convenience, and also ensures the safety for user. However, there are also limited effects, which is the battery can drain over time, heat may be degenerate, and then the energy loss can occur during the conversation. And the operation time is limited.
The function model illustrates the primary auxiliary function of each component. The battery stores electric energy and provides a stable supply. The DC to AC inverter converts DC power into AC for household application. UC or DC output port supply to low voltage electronic device to input. Charging port recharges the battery with built-in safety control. The housing protects internal component and support portability. The protection prevents damage from short, overload, and over voltage. The cooling system prevents overheating and improves system efficiency. The control manages power distribution and display system status. The function model provides a clear understanding of how each component contributes to the overall performance, safety, and reliability of the portable power inverter battery converter system.
Next, I will explain about the engineering condition. Well, from the interaction analysis, we can identify the engineering condition of all systems. When we improve one aspect, another aspect becomes worse, which is we call a condition. For the example, when we introduce the wireless rechargeable extension, we successfully increase the convenience, mobility, flexibility, and also user comfort, which is supported by three parameters like convenience of use and reliability. However, improving these benefits also create the disadvantages. The device experiences the battery drain, limited operation time, energy loss, and also potential harmful heat generation. Well, all of them are related to three parameters such as harmful factors, loss of energy, and external harm. So, if we use this wireless extension device, then user can easily access the power anywhere. But the system suffers from the battery limitation and efficiency loss. So, this condition is important because it guides us to find the innovative trade solution that improve the benefits while reducing the negative effects.
The contradiction matrix is used to identify engineering contradiction and to select suitable inverting principle without compromising other system parameter. In this system, improving performance and output power may increase heat generation, size and weight of reduce portability and safety. When improving system efficiency, the risk of overheating and component stress increase. Based on trace contradiction matrix, several inventive principles are suggested to resolve this contradiction. This principle provides systematic guide for generating innovative solutions while avoiding trade-off between performance, safety, and portability.
In the context of wireless networking, the invention principle we choose is number two, which is taking out, refer to removing unnecessary or limiting components from a system to improve efficiency and flexibility. First of all, it can support this by emphasizing how inventive principle offers structured pathway to solve technical challenges. This idea is clearly reflected in second point, will highlight how modern wireless extension reduce reliance on traditional wire infrastructure. This aligns directly with the taking out principle where eliminating physical constraints allow for more adaptable and scalable network solution. Meanwhile, last point was illustrate the benefit of wireless connectivity, so user can manage multiple devices simultaneously with consistent and reliable performance, especially for smart technologies like smartphone and computer.
In conclusion, the use of conventional extension wire is indeed helpful in providing an additional source of electrical power, but it still has various concerns in terms of safety, convenience and flexibility of use. Problems such as tender wires, difficulty in storage, risk of electric shock and limited user mobility make exciting products less suitable to meet the needs of an increasingly dynamic modern lifestyle. Extension wire innovation developed in portable and wireless form are relevant solutions with high potential to overcome these shortcomings. By combining the concept of portable and wireless technologies, these products are expected to improve user safety, reduce reliance on physical wired connection, and offer more flexible use in various environments such as homes, educational institutions, office, and temporary locations. In addition, this innovation also contributes to a more efficient and orderly use of electricity in line with current technological developments and the needs of today's consumers. Overall, the development of mobile or wireless extension cords not only has the potential to improve the user experience, but can also be an innovative product that is practical, safe, and commercially valuable in the future.